portion of 53 Benitez, actually all of our properties today. So that's 53 Benitez, the Vantage. I think that was just this year. So we were there, and now moving forward, East Bay Residences. So you're all familiar where it is. Saan tayo? So this is first off in the south. So something really new happens. It's the first of its kind at Rockwell, and it's after the Sukat exit. So ang address is kilometer 21 East Service Road. And this is of course the first tower, the Fordham, 15 stories. Tapos we have 4 unit variations or types. That's basically a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, which is nasa likod natin, and then the 3-bedroom, and then our special, I would say showcase or flagship would be the 3-bedroom bi-level garden unit. So 2 levels, may garden na sarili, tapos sa ground floor siya. This will be coming up in 2020. So 4 years siya, 4 years. And it will be the same payment term for all our projects with in-house financing at 0 interest.
Price.
This one is starting at around 7 million. But it depends on floor. Although I have it in detail na available units.
Bakit parang mid-rise lang siya?
Mid-rise talaga po siya, ma'am.
Ngayon, why mid-rise pala?
Well, when we did our market research in the south for the developments available there, the preference or the ang pabatay is mid-rise and as opposed to high-rise. Or we wanted na yung mga high-rise na kasi
bawal kasi dun sa bandang area na yun yung mataas iba dahil sa
Skyway. That's one of the things. Although, ito kasi, ang Skyway is dito sa banda. Pero our other towers, dependent pa yan sa magiging reception ng market. It's up until the 21st floor, so 15 to 21. Ito yung una natin.
So, anong amenities available?
Mga amenities kasi nito, this is already an existing property. Tribeca Residences, tapos formerly Tribeca Residences.
Ah, Tribeca, okay.
Yes, sa likod po siya. So there are 5 towers na there, that's by Lanto. We acquired the property, and we are currently managing the towers. They are existing. Pero for this one, ang amenities niya is basically 60-40 open space versus building space. So maraming outdoor amenities. You have basketball court, tennis court, and vice versa. You have a soccer pitch, a football field. We also have a great lawn, pool with complete with lap pool and recreational pool. And then of course yung clubhouse natin, which will have the function rooms and will be an event space. Tapos ang pinakamaganda dito, ma'am, it will have a retail row na may cinemas. Eh, walang malapit na cinema here besides I think sa SM Sukat sa kabilang side, and then Ayala de Igorens, Philinvest, sa Philinvest area.
Besides yung sa retail row ninyo, ano pa yung malalapit na buildings, schools?
Actually, ang maganda dito is although it's not magsarili ng area, it's very close to the very well-known BF neighborhood. So, dun pa lang, soto tayo sa food, sa services, madaming options. Pero here, we want na hindi nalalayo yung mga tenants. Kaya talagang lahat ng Rockwell development as much as possible, may kasama siyang retail element para hindi na kailangan lumayo yung mga nakatira. So, ito have a supermarket, of course, not to mention coffee shop, food and beverage stalls, of course services such as water, laundry, and banks, definitely. So to make it self-sustained, convenient. Total area that will be developed is 6.5 hectares.